In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a filter in Jira. To get started, open Jira and make sure you are on the main dashboard or landing page. From there, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Filters. This is where Jira organizes saved searches and filter options, and it's the place you will use whenever you want to narrow down issues in a more focused way. After you click Filters, select any of the options available under the Default Filters section. This gives you a starting point and helps you access the filter area more quickly. Once you are there, click More Filters. A drop-down menu will appear, showing you a range of different filter options you can use to refine your search. In this menu, you may see options such as Attachment, Changed, Comment, Created, and others. Take your time here and review the list carefully. Each option represents a different way to filter Jira issues. So it's important to choose the ones that match what you are trying to find. For example, some filters help you sort by when something was created, while others help you identify issues based on updates or comments. The key is to look through all the available choices and decide which ones are useful for your specific search. When you find a filter you want to use, click the checkbox next to it. As soon as you select it, the filter becomes visible in your current filter setup. You can continue checking the boxes for any additional filters you need. This part is useful because it allows you to customize the issue view without making things more complicated than necessary. If you select too many filters, it can become harder to read, so it's a good idea to only keep the ones that actually help. Once you've selected the filters you want, click Save Filter. Jira will then prompt you to enter the details for your new filter. Add a clear name so it's easy to recognize later, and include a description if needed. A good description can help explain what the filter is for, especially if it will be shared with other people on your team. Next, set the viewer and editor permissions. This controls who can see the filter and who can make changes to it. Be sure to review these settings carefully so the filter is shared appropriately. After that, click Save to finish creating your filter. That's it. Thanks for watching.